Hey family, welcome back to Keep Moving Uncut. Keep Moving Uncut is a station all about keeping you healthy, strong, fit, pain-free, but it's uncut because I don't do many editing, so please forgive me if I make a few mistakes. Today, I'm just about to run out to our annual physical therapy conference, but I got a question from someone and they asked, where is the best place to put grab bars? So as you know, grab bars can be used in the bathroom, and hence the reason that I'm in the bathroom now. But I want you to know that one of the most important places to put a grab bar if you want to improve your safety is going to be right as you're stepping into the tub or right as you're stepping into the shower. So what that means is that it's great to have one inside if you're going to be bathing and you want one to the side, if your shower head's here, but it's most important to have one to hold on to as you're stepping in. So this shower right here, you step in this direction, and I'm just gonna let you know that if you're going into this shower, I'm gonna tilt it down just a little bit, you're gonna put your grab bar right here. That way, as you're stepping into the shower, you're able to hold on to something and step inside. Again, so one of the most important places to put a grab bar is going to be the entrance of that shower, the entrance of that tub. So that way you're not having to reach in for it to grab it, but it's right there outside. So you can put it right here or you can put it right there, but as you're stepping in, you want to have something to hold on to. So again, I know a lot of you are doing remodeling. The person that asked this question was doing a remodel for their mother-in-law, which I think is amazing because I love my mother-in-law, and many of us are having to make arrangements where we have others that come and stay with us, and you want them to be safe. It's so important for them to be safe. So remember, as you're doing that, grab bars are amazing. Do not let them hold on to a soap holder. Do not let them hold on to a faucet or a fixture, because those are not made to support you. What's made to support you is a grab bar. And so again, the best place to put a grab bar is on the entrance of your bathroom area where you're going to step into the tub or step into the shower. All right, guys, I'm going to head to my conference. I will see you next time. Please share this. If you have someone that you think this may be beneficial for, please remember to give it a like, and I will see you next time. Thank you.